Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to convert a mixed number to a fraction. So before we begin, I want you to write this down on your paper, leaving space, because we're going to go right here and we're going to write our other words. So convert. Convert means to change. So I'm going to go right here, right underneath, I'm going to write change. So I'm going to change a mixed number. Now a mixed number is a number that has a whole number. So let's pick a whole number, like 2. And a fraction, let's say 1/2. And they're together. So 2 1/2 is a mixed number. Another example, because we want to make sure every time we write examples down, we put more than one. That mixed number could be negative. So let's write negative, and let's pick another number, like 4. Let's say 3/4. So negative 4 3/4 is an example of a mixed number. Now let's do the final example of fraction. Fractions are these without whole numbers. So let's write down 1/2. Negative 4/5, and how about 1/100? So those are all examples of fractions. Fractions are a part to the whole. So we're going to learn how to change a mixed number into a fraction. So here is our first example. Example 1. Write on your page, before you write this down, example 1. So when you have a mixed number of 3 and 4/5, eventually it's going to get to this answer right here, 19/5. But why? What you're going to need to do is you're going to have to multiply the denominator to the whole number. So on your problem, you need to make sure you put a little space so you can write that multiplication sign right there. After you multiply, 5 times 3 equals 15, you're going to add that number to the numerator, 4. So 5 times 13 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. And once you get that number, what you're going to do is you're going to take that number and you're going to put it right on top of your old denominator. So you're going to keep the same denominator, but you're going to bring that back. Next, example 2. Example 2. I have a mixed number, 2 and 1/2. Once again, we're going to multiply the denominator to the whole number. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we get the answer is 5/2. We multiply the denominator to the whole number, and we add the whole number to the numerator. And then we put that all over the denominator. The same denominator you had with the mixed number. And this is how we convert from a mixed number into a fraction. It's how we change. Change means convert. Alright, now we can have mixed numbers and fractions that are both negative. So here's example number 3. Write this down. Example 3. I have negative 3 and 1/3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save that. I'm going to save the negative, because sometimes it's a little confusing, and I'm going to bring it back at the end. So let's just forget about the negative for right now, but remember, we're going to save it. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we're going to write 10, and we're going to put it all over this whole denominator that's right here, which was 3. Now remember how we saved it? We're going to bring back that negative and put it right there. Next, we're going to do, on the next video, we're going to show some examples of adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So what you can do for right now, if you need to, go back and review each one of the steps that I did. How we multiplied the denominator to the whole number, and then we added it to the numerator. So you can rewind this video to check out each one of these examples. Thank you.